Get ready, because the Catwheel Tractor Scraper is the pinnacle of pure, raw industrial power designed to reshape the Earth. This massive beast tears open the surface resistance with its massive blade, Scraper, that sinks into the soil in front of it in a single pass, quickly and agilely trapping tons of material in its hopper. The Cat 25M motorgrader is the machine that demolishes the scaffolding on the world's largest construction sites. But what is its primary function? Shaping surfaces with razor-sharp precision. While other machines merely move the soil, this one whispers into the earth and levels it to within 1/10 of a centimeter. This legendary machine isn't just a tractor, it's a wrestler facing the soil's resistance head-to-head. This turbocharged giant of the 1970s was born to plow the deepest and most demanding fields of its time. Its engine roars, delivering incredible torque to the ground, driving the massive plow attached to its rear into the deepest layers of soil. This machine was once the backbone of every field, and its primary function was to revolutionize the art of controlling ground-based implements. At the heart of the MF-35 lies the legendary 3-point linkage system, a groundbreaking system for its time, which brought the interaction between the tractor and implements behind it, such as plows and cultivators, into perfect balance. Now behold, engineering genius multiplied into force. This is the Ferguson FE35 Tandem tractor, a defiance of the laws of physics, combining two tractors into one. Its primary function, it generates incredible traction and twice the torque, surpassing the power of any single machine to drive the massive plow, which would normally have to be stopped deep into the field. By doubling its surface area and combining power, this iron hulk defies even the greatest resistance of soil and inertia, plowing miles of fields in a single pass without hesitation, pushing the limits of agricultural efficiency. This Guarisi DS40 demonstrates the power of continuous harvesting on vast agricultural fields. Its primary function, to continuously and incredibly quickly bring thousands of carrots from underground to the surface and process them. As the machine advances across the field, the massive gear mechanism at its front grasps hundreds of square meters of space in a single move. As if defying gravity, it pulls the underground root crops upwards, transferring them to the sorting and conveying belts in a flawless rhythm. Introducing the H2TRAC, which brings the agility of lumbering giants down to earth. This machine isn't just a tractor, it's a showcase of four-wheel steering and limitless adaptability. Its primary function, instantly changing its physical dimensions as it traverses the terrain. With incredible dynamic precision, this machine can automatically adjust its track wheel width on the fly. Now here's an industrial marvel that proves how power can be combined with immense elegance. The John Deere 6830 Premium. This machine was designed to conquer every corner of the farmland without sacrificing its power, its primary function. To perform fast, demanding field operations by instantly transferring massive torque to the wheels while simultaneously offering the agility of a sports car. When the engine roars, the sheer thrust it creates continues to pull even the heaviest implements with unwavering determination over muddy, wet ground. Now here's a harvesting beast that defies the soil's resistance to swamping, the Rauptrack RT55. Thanks to the incredibly generous pressure exerted by its crawler system, this machine moves with unstoppable force through even the softest, muddiest terrain, where wheeled machines would quickly become bogged down. Its primary function? Uninterrupted harvesting in impossible terrain. This machine isn't just a powerhouse, it's an engineering genius that transcends the logic of a gearbox. Its primary function? To seamlessly transfer the engine's incredible torque to the wheels at any speed and under any load. Thanks to its Vario transmission, this giant can accelerate from 0 to top speed without a clutch or interrupted gear changes, meaning the power never stops flowing. Introducing the Adro Dominator, a monster of volume designed to devour an entire field in a single sitting. This machine isn't just a harvester, it's an industrial powerhouse, instantly uprooting tons of sugar beets clinging to the ground. Its primary function? It pulls root crops upwards with incredible force, then passes them between the rapidly rotating cleaning drums, whisking away the kilos of soil in under a second. Now, introduce the ET94, a hydraulic beast that rewrote the art of underground exploration. This machine doesn't just dig, it's a demolition expert, pulverizing concrete and uprooting rock its primary function. To use its massive bucket to reach the hardest, most resistant layers of the earth, a depth no ordinary machine could ever reach. Behold the Pios Hulk, named for its unstoppable force of destruction. This machine doesn't just lift materials, it was born to instantly shatter anything that resists. Its primary function, its giant hydraulic shears or crushing jaws mounted on top, crumple concrete, steel, and rock like paper. When its engine roars, those massive hydraulic pistons come into play, exerting a tremendous compressive force that can split even the thickest structural steel beams in half in a split second. Introducing the TPOM20, the absolute king of volume and lifting power. This machine doesn't just carry materials, it was born to break the resistance of mines and quarries, with its massive bucket capacity its main function, to lift tons of rocks, ores, and the densest materials from the ground in a single move, defying gravity, lift them into the air, and instantly unload them into massive trucks. Now, introduce the Wagner L60 log stacker, capable of shouldering the weight of a forest and lifting it skyward. This machine doesn't just haul wood, it's a lifting wizard, stacking long, unstable, and slippery log stacks to the highest heights with incredible balance and agility. Its main function, its massive fork and pincer mechanism, allows it to grasp and lift dozens of logs in a single move, defying gravity to build massive log towers. Now here's PlantMate X, a plant that multiplies nature's rhythms and gives life to thousands of saplings simultaneously. This monster doesn't just drill the soil, it seeds the forests of the future with incredible speed. Its primary function, it moves even over rough, rocky terrain, placing each sapling at the ideal depth and angle with meticulous precision. While the wheels and tracks grapple with the challenging terrain, the machine's continuous feed system deposits the saplings at the speed of a bullet, creating a green landscape on a scale unattainable by human power. Now, here's a hybrid beast that defies the rules of both worlds. The Liebherr A922 Rail Excavator. This machine doesn't just run on roads. With its massive wheels, it can move with equal agility on both land and railway tracks. Its primary function? With the push of a button, it locks itself onto the rails and moves with the stability of a giant locomotive, simultaneously utilizing its high hydraulic power to perform heavy excavation, loading, and lifting tasks on the rail lines at incredible speed. Now before you is an acrobat who defies the laws of gravity and leverage, CIT5719. This machine isn't just a loader, it's a tower of power that extends beyond what's even possible. Its primary function? Extending that telescopic arm to hurl tons of weight from its body to incredible distances and heights. The machine takes the heavy load in front of it, struggles for balance, and delivers it to the highest floor or the farthest roof of the building. Now Now here's a surgical machine that can roll up an entire football field in minutes. The Brewer Kesmac 4000R. This machine isn't just a harvester, it's a specialist that removes the living carpet stuck to the surface with incredible speed and perfect precision.